Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to create anime face in Picsart. So in order to do that, let's head over to Picsart. Here it is. What we need to do next is to just select a picture that we want to use. So let's select this picture right here. And then after that, what we need to do is to just scroll until we can see this sticker right here. So let's click it. And once we're in there, you can see a search icon. So let's click on that and let's search in here anime nan. As you can see, there's a lot of anime that we can choose from. So just scroll down until you choose something that you want to use. So let's choose this photo right here. Let's click that and let's resize it to this picture right here. So let's try to adjust it as best as we can. In this case, it is better to flip it. So let's try to flip it. Click on adjust. As you can see, right that. So let's resize this again until it fit the face. And then remove the parts that doesn't fit with the picture. Let's resize it. As you can see right now, it still looks funny, but what we need to do is to just select it and make sure that the opacity is slower than what it's supposed to be. And then after that, let's click on check right here and then click on effects at the bottom right here. And then from in there, just need to click on this B and W, which stands for black and white. So let's choose this right here. As you can see, it is better, or let's choose the silver right here. It is much better. So after that, let's click on blur on the bottom. And then let's choose radial blur, whatever you want. But for me, I will choose focal zoom. And let's focus on the face. You can also change the fade or the hardness of the focal zoom. And once you're done with everything, just click on check. Let's apply the effect again of the black and white. So let's apply it. Click on check. And as you can see right now, it has become more realistic. After that, just click on this arrow right here. Click on save. Click on save again. And it will be saved to your gallery. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.